Hello, my name is Gadir Al-Kafi, the owner of these slides, and this is my project. Fluids and diamonds may be some of the Earth's oldest unchanged materials. My main point, part one, is deep inside the ocean, approximately 410 to 660 kilometers under sea level, a Termerman and colleagues scrutinized 24 super deep diamonds near Brazil that have a microscopic pouch of fluid. The Timmermans say that it preserved the chemical composition as those deep down. My main point, part two, the researchers categorized different types of elements that are in super deep diamonds. Transman's team compared the two helium types, helium-3 and helium-4. The super deep diamond have an abundance of helium-3, which was only formed early in Earth's existence, which indicates that it was from during those times. This is a quick summary of what I just said. Part 1. It is the oldest preserved material on the planet Earth, 410 to 660 kilometers under sea level. The diamonds have a microscopic pouch of fluid. When the diamond rises to the surface, its sturdy crystal structure shields the diamond's enclosure. My summary part 2. It's exactly preserving the chemical composition at those really deep depths. There are two elements that are enclosed in the diamonds, helium-3, helium-4. Unlike helium-4, Earth has not generated any more helium-3 since its appearance on Earth. Part 3. The fluid in diamonds is less than a micrometer across. Some are suspected to be dated all the way back 4.5 billion years ago. The chemical composition is a mystery, but it must be quite dense to not mix with the rest of the mantle. Unanswered questions: whether the reservoir comprise one giant mass or multiple smaller pockets of age-old material. These are the effects that it can do. Well, some of the things, I guess. Part 1. I found multiple sites that helium-3 can be used as fuel in future nuclear power plants, but they are very limited on Earth. But also there's abundance amount that is on the moon, which I hope we can. I'm sure we will obtain soon enough. Part 2. The moon has been bombarded with large quantities of helium-3 by the solar wind, unlike Earth. It is thought that it could be provide safer nuclear energy in a fusion reactor. So since it is not radioactive, it is not dangerous. These are the links. Okay, I'm gonna try to go quickly. So the fluid in the super deep diamond are helium-3 and helium-4, rare element to be found on Earth because of magnetic field. There are other unknown elements in it that are being researched till this day. They did find that helium-3 can be used as fuel for nuclear power plants and a safer nuclear energy for a fusion reactor. This is the article. I got all my information from side 2 to 6, and this is the wrong link, but I'll put the right link in the actual presentation. This is just the video. This is the wrong link. But thank you very much for watching. I hope I'll make more informational videos that you can watch and learn from. Thank you very much. I hope to see you again, and bye.